Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Another day, another NY के products का review. Now this time I have specifically NY की nail paints का review, and I have all of them in this box. I just got them yesterday, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. If you want to try out these products, everything will be given in the description box, right? If there is anything that you want to check out, everything will be in the description box. Do check that out as well. So without any further ado, let's go in. But before jumping in, subscribe to my channel, and you can like the video already if you want to. And yeah, let's just go. Now I just got this yesterday. I haven't tried them yet, right? I just have them right now, and I just wanted to give you an overview before we actually give the trial, okay? So I have this one particular range of nail polishes, and this is Creme nail paints. All of these are, yeah, this is the range of Creme nail paints, you know, the ones that have newly launched on NY. I thought let's just particularly try this one out. Now I have tried NY baking nail paints pehle. I have used almost every range from them, the gel ones, the matte ones, the one with NY Bay into Shakti. You know, they recently launched this pastel wala, and I have them as well. And my opinion about NY baking nail paints have not been like the best, because I generally felt कि वो जो पुराने वाली थी ना, they used to dry out very quickly in the bottle. You know, आपने इसको 2 बार लगाया, 4 बार लगाया, and उसके बाद जब आप थोड़े टाइम के बाद उसको देखोगे, they might be just dried out. So that is my biggest problem with these nail paints, and I'm not sure how this one will work. But yeah, you know what? Actually, I have one opinion that I wanted to share with you. Just give me 1 sec. So, see, this is one nail paint from NY. This is in the shade Turkish Blue, and then I have this one from Bella Boste, and this is in the shade Tropical Tea. Just look at these two bottles and tell me, do you not see a twin sister vibe over here? Just look at them. Definitely the bottle, the component, they are extremely similar. Even the caps, just that ki iski cap bilkul silver color ki hai, you know, it's like a metallic silver thing, and this has like hearts on it. Can you see it? Yeah, I'll just give you an overview later. So that is that. But otherwise, I think the bottles, oh my god, they are extremely similar. Even from the back, like if I've kept it like this, I can never tell कि ये Bella Boste है या NY है. अगर ये ढक्कन भी छुपा दोगे तो I think I will just take it like two similar nail paints. And that is that. Okay, so I have 11 shades, and the first one is Turkish Blue, and this is how it looks. Like, I have gone ham when it comes to the blues. Okay, Turkish Blue is the first one. Then we have Carmine Red, and that is this one. I was missing out on red colors in my nail paint collection, so I thought I got this. Let's just get one. Okay, then we have Brunette Brown. Like, I mean, you should always have some good nude colors, right? So this is Brunette Brown. It's a very cool toned mauvey brown, and I think it's a very pretty color. Like, I would love to have a lipstick of this color, like, imagine. Then again, I'll just go with another nude color, and this one is warm beige, and this is pink. Why is it beige? Who knows? Next up we have is Tiffany Blue. And yeah, I mean, blue is my favorite color, so I have to go ham on blues. So I would say this personally, that this range actually has some really pretty colors. Okay, the color range for this nail paint range is awesome. Okay, then we have Stone Blue. This is more like a grayish blue color, and I think, oh wow, this has my heart. Okay, next up is Sheen Green, and this is like a very pastel green color. Wow, it's pretty. Then we have Powder Blue. Wow, I just hope this looks good on the nails, because it's a pretty light blue color, and these type of colors might just not look as good on your nails as it should. And the last one is Pea Green. This is a bluish green color, like minty bluish greenish. Wow, it's pretty. I think the colors are really pretty, and along with these I actually got these two things. These are the samples, and one of them is this rose hip syrup ka sample, and then another one is this primer ka sample from Purple, right? So we'll try this someday, maybe. Today is not that day. Okay, now let's just get into the application. I'll try all of these shades, and I will give you the rundown for all of these shades, because sometimes क्या होता है कि some shade might last longer than other shade because of the formulation and you know how the color schemes work. So we'll try each one of these and let's see how these work, okay? Yeah. So yes guys, I took my time and I reviewed and tried all these nail paints. I think some of them are missing. I don't know मैंने वो कहाँ रख दी, but I think कोई ना कोई तो इसमें से missing है. Now talking about these nail paints, I'll start off with this one, the one that I'm wearing. You can see, yeah, this is the one. This one, this and this. These 4 nail paints, these 4 over here, I would say are the ones that I would highly recommend. So this one is stone blue, this one is Turkish blue, this one is brunette brown, and this one is warm beige. Now the reason why I recommend these is because the color is very pretty. These on the other hand, not this one, actually this is fine. These 3, they are very light in color, and honestly like camera won't pick up, but these are extremely light. Like I would have wanted them to be a little bit more darker for them to actually look good on my fingers. They just don't look very good, you know, they just look very pale. Pale is the word actually, and that is one reason why I don't like these 3, right? This one is fine. Now one thing that I have seen about these nail paints is that first of all, they take their time to dry down, okay? So when you apply the first layer, let that first layer dry, then go into the second layer, let that second layer dry, and then go into the final layer. You know, that is how I would recommend you to do this. Let the layer dry one by one, because नहीं तो क्या होगा, वो सूखती ही नहीं है. And I have seen this with multiple times with these nail paints कि मैंने 2-3 layers back to back लगा ली and वो फिर सूखी ही नहीं आधा घंटा. You know, I waited for half an hour and वो नहीं सूखी. And I think that is one reason why I was like a little bummed with these nail paints, because they were not drying down. But then I applied this one and I took time. 2 layers लगा के I waited, and then I just went in the third one 3-4 दिन के बाद. So I took my time in applying, and you know, I applied this nail paint I think 5 days ago and it did not chip. And this is something I would love to tell you about these nail paints. They do not chip, okay? This is how it looks after 5 days, and it's pretty nice. Like, oh my god, nail paints chip on my fingers real bad, but for some reason these did not, because they do not chip that bad. So if you can give them time to dry down and you just apply them properly, they will last. They will last. They will last. That is what I would say. Okay, and let me just find out a few swatches, you know, of these nail paints, if I can just find a few when I applied them, to show you how they look on my fingers, right? So yes guys, this is it for today's video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can find everything in the description box if you want to buy these nail paints, and I'll meet you in the next video guys. Bye bye.